Why is safe storage just as important as cooking?
Well, I think this storage is important, paramount, because we're going to minimize cross-contamination, we're going to keep your produce fresh, right, extend the lifespan, minimize food wastage. All this is part of the safety.
Hi, Mr. Stanley. Hi, welcome to FHM.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'll be asking you a couple of questions today in regards to Cambro.
Yes.
So, okay, first question. Can you briefly introduce yourself and your role in Cambro?
Hi everyone, my name is Stanley. I'm the regional sales manager of South Asia, and in charge of support partners.
Okay, thank you so much. So next question. What is one innovation from Cambro that you are most excited to share here at FHM?
Well, over here at the back, our shelving. So I think Cambro, we are known for our shelving solutions. We provide solutions for the kitchen, for the storage, especially right now where space is a premium. And Cambro will provide the solutions, and our material, we're not using anything, and it's used as
Alright, wonderful. Okay, next. Why should visitors make sure to visit our booth to see Cambro in action?
Well, I think most importantly is that for everyone up here, FHM Malaysia, can come and visit our booth because the new Cambro products to provide solutions for the kitchen or storage needs.
Alright, so next question is more about Cambro products in general. What Cambro product is a must-have for every commercial kitchen?
Oh, there's a lot. Yeah. You can name one and more. Our shelving, our storage container, our food pans, basically promote food safety, minimize food wastage, and durable products in the kitchen and storage area.
Alright, so next, why is safe storage just as important as cooking?
Well, I think this storage is important, paramount, because you're going to minimize cross-contamination, you're going to keep your produce fresh, right, extend the lifespan, minimize food wastage. All this is part of the safety, and food safety is very important. The last thing that you want is to have contamination and poisoning.
So, last question.
Yes.
One word. What can you describe Cambro?
Oh, durability. That's it.
Alright. Okay, that's all, Mr. Stanley. Thank you so much for taking your time, and I hope today you will have a good time at FHM.
Thank you so much. Thank you.